love to wear washes. I love to wear all washes. What is that? What am I saying? Anyway. Welcome back to my channel, and for today I have decided to do a little get ready with me video. This is my first time doing it. I have a brunch at 1 o'clock, so I decided to do a little quick get ready with me video. As I said, this is my very first get ready with me video, so stay tuned and see what we have in store. So if you're wondering what's on my head, I recently did the Empress locks in my hair, so it can't fit in my sleeping cap, so I have literally been using Kadim's underpants to put on my head. When I usually take a shower, my shower cap can't fit on my head as well, so I just kind of like put it one side and work with it. Alright guys, so I am back from what is called a quick shower. I'm just going to go ahead and remove my shower cap, which was hardly even covering my head, and then I'm going to brush my teeth. Is me alone come out of the shower to brush them teeth, or I don't know, kind of weird like that. So yep, I'm gonna brush my teeth now, guys. Alright guys, so let's get this show on the road. If you know me, I am always late. So I am up a little early today. I would say early, but you know, it's a decent start for me because I'm always late. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and like take up all the stuff that I need for my makeup bag right now and just like put them right in front, so easy access. Alright guys, so what I did, I went ahead and take out like all the necessary stuff that I need from my makeup bag. If I need anything else, I'll just simply get it from the bag. But we're gonna start with the primer. I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime. I use this often, but sometimes I use my MAC primer. But the thing with this, sometimes when I use it, it kind of gives me like a yellowish, like not yellow, I would say like a, I don't know, like a bronze undertone. It's not yellow, it's like a burnt undertone. Depends sometimes, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I love it, but the only reason why I don't use it so much is because sometimes it just gives me like a darker undertone from my skin. I don't know, it's weird. It works sometimes, doesn't work, you know. So I use it sometimes, but I use this one mostly. All right, so let's get into it. I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. Okay guys, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with my eyebrow pencil. Okay, so I just went ahead and I did my eyebrows with my eyebrow pencil and my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm just going to like fix this, and then I'm going to do a little like eyeshadow thingy. I'm not going to do anything heavy because it's just a brunch, you know, so I don't really want a lot. I just want a little, hey, so you can see me. I am not the best at doing my makeup, but I can help myself. That's basically it. So yep, just gonna go ahead and like conceal my eyelids, so the eyeshadows kind of show. Alright, for my eyeshadow, so I'm going to use Morphe Fierce by Nature 3503. This is what I'll be using, guys. I'm usually like a very like natural kind of girl, like on the like I like natural eyeshadows, unless I want to be like, you know, dramatic, or you know, I do a little smoky, but I might do a little smoky, but nothing too drastic. So I'm just going to use my eyeshadow palette, and then let's see how this goes. I don't know. Alright guys, so I love to wear lashes. I love to wear them, and I'm talking about strip lashes. So, you know, obviously if I have the fusion lashes on, I don't need to put the strip lashes on, but like no, when I don't, I love to wear washes. I love to wear washes. What is that?
In a Masasuta, 9th, what Masasutas? Masasuta. Come in, remember. Come Alice, I'm going to try say it on camera. Massachusetts. Shirley in a Massachusetts. God, how make me can't pronounce that word then. And sure.
Anyways, I love to wear lashes. The only problem is I cannot put on the lashes. Like, I struggle to put on lashes. So that always depends. It always depends on the type of mood I'm in, the time that I have, because trust me, to put on lashes, it takes forever with me because I can't put them on. So I am going to like consider, I'm going to try to do the lashes, and then if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna rip them off and just continue with my life. Alright guys, so I have my lashes. As stated before, I struggled to put these lashes on. I am going to give it a try, and if it works, it's going to be a good day. If not, I'll be fine. So let's get into it. I use this regular glue like everybody else. I don't know, this is the glue that I use. It just depends, like if I can really find the lash glue, then I use it, but for most part, this is what I use, to be honest. Alright guys, no lash for me because the glue, I left the bottle open, slightly open, and the glue is dry. Yes, so I'm just going to do my apply my foundation. I use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid for my foundation, and pretty much once you like get your eyes out of the way, I feel like everything else after that is like pretty much simple. Alright guys, so after the foundation, I'm just going to go ahead and do my highlight and contour. So I'll be using my Tarte concealer for my highlight, and I love it. Love it. So I'm just going to go in with this right now. After applying the concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and use my beauty blender to blend it out. Alright guys, so I am going to go in with my contour now. So for that, I use the Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick from MAC, and it looks like this. Love it. Absolutely love it. So let's get into this. Alright guys, now I'm just going to set my face with my Laura Mercier and Sacha powder. Now I'm going to set my face, and this is what I use. I use both to set my face. Right, let's get into it. So after letting that light sit for a while, I'm just going to blend everything. Alright guys, so after blending everything now, I'm just going to like go in with my powder. So I use the MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm just going to like just go in with the powder and like make sure everything is like, you know, on one level, I guess. I don't know, that's what I usually do. So I'm just going to go in with my powder right now. So after my powder, I'm just going to put some blush on, and I'm using MAC. I use mostly MAC products, as you guys will see. So I'm using the MAC burnt pepper blush. So I'm just going to go in with my blush. And then after my blush, guys, I usually do like my highlighter. Again, this is a MAC highlighter. It's called Gold Deposit. Yeah, I usually go in with my highlighter, and then I usually spray my setting spray, or I spray the setting spray first and then I'll do the highlighter. And you can also I usually, like, sometimes when I really want my highlighter to stand out, I do the highlighter, the setting spray, and then when the setting spray dries, I put back some more highlighter and it pops. So right now I'm just going to go in with my highlighter, guys. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go in with my setting spray, and for my setting spray I use the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Setting Spray. Alright guys, so after letting my setting spray dry a little, I'm just going to, being that I can't put on my lashes because I have no glue, I might try and get some glue on the road. I might not, you know, it's not a big deal, but your lashes really make your makeup pop. So because I don't have the lashes, I am just going to put some mascara on. That's all, because I don't have the lash glue at least. So I'm just going to go in with my mascara, guys. And this mascara is a mascara that I got in Sephora. My lashes are like really short and like curly, so this is like a small little thingy, which is really good for me because my lashes are very, very short and curly, so it's easier to use this small one. All right guys, after that, being that my the setting spray has dried, I'm just going to go back in with my very beautiful highlighter. So yeah, I'm just going to go back in with that little bit. All right guys, so after that I usually like go in and wipe my lips because obviously I've been using the makeup, so it's going to go on my lips. So I usually just go in like you can use wipes, or I use wipes, tissue, anything that I can find. I use my rag, I use anything. Wipes is just as good. I usually just go in and like wipe my lips, like wipe off the makeups off my lips, so my lip gloss or lipstick, you know, will show the true color. So as said before, I'm a very simple girl with makeup and natural things, so I'm just going to use a clear lip gloss from Fenty Beauty and just over my lips, and that's going to be it. I usually use my MAC lip gloss, which is my favorite lip gloss, but unfortunately I can't find that lip gloss and I am so pissed. But you know, the Fenty will do just fine. So I'm just going to apply some lip gloss and that's it. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the finished product, like just a light makeup for brunch. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my get ready with me video. Tell me what you think. If there's any questions you guys want to know, anything at all, feel free to like message me, DM me, anything. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Send it to your friends and family. Okay guys, so alright guys, so I am back. So at first my brunch was at 1, but then my friends are running a little bit late, well, a lot late, so the brunch is now at 3 o'clock. The brighter side is I got to do my lashes because I had a little more time. So what I did, I just went ahead and did my lashes. So guys, this is the finished look with the lashes. I didn't video the process because it was a real struggle. I had to take it off, reapply. It was a real struggle, but we are here now and this is the look with the lashes. Tell me what you guys think. I told you guys that the lashes, it really give the makeup a pop. Like, it's really popping for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye guys.